So one side is 3 times the other side, something like this. So if this is x, this is 3x, a cover, something like this, and 2 inches are missed on each side. Area of the rectangular mat is 156, so this side becomes 3x minus 4, and this side becomes x minus 4. So x minus 4 into 3x minus 4 is equal to 156. We'll have to solve this quadratic equation. 3x square minus 16x plus 16 is equal to 156. 3x square minus 16x minus 140 is equal to 0. So 3x square minus 30x plus 14x minus 140 is equal to 0. So 3x into x minus 10 plus 14 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 14 and x minus 10. This leads to a negative value of x, which is not possible. So x turns out to be 10. What is the question? What is the area of the tabletop? Area of the tabletop is x into 3x. So that is 10 into 30. Turns out to be 300. That's the answer.